Hey guys, so this is gonna be the first informal review of the DJI Osmo Pocket. I'm sorry, and this one is great because it automatically tracks your face when you're in selfie mode, and so it doesn't matter where I move to, it just automatically tracks. Imagine if you mount it on a tripod, or granted, it doesn't come with a tripod mount, so you probably need the aftermarket kit to do that. However, the video quality I think is great, and in the selfie mode, I mean, it's great. It captures the full face very nicely with automatic tracking and automatic focus. So there's not really much to ask for. Super easy to use. There's only two buttons. There's a power on and there's a record. And the screen is touch sensitive, so you can watch yourself while you're doing the recording. And when you touch the screen, you go into a whole bunch of really easy to access manuals, such as changing the tilt control, changing the autofocus, formatting the card, etc., etc. So I'm gonna hit the power button 3 times and it's gonna switch to the normal recording mode. So at the normal recording mode, it doesn't automatically track the face if there's no person in there. So it just keeps the screen at a very nice smooth motion. And if you have the tilt control enabled, it slowly tilts up and down. And if you don't have the tilt enabled, it actually just keeps very level for you when you're doing the recording. So really handy, really helpful. And I'm just gonna walk around, and it seems like the light sensitivity is also great. The room is fairly dark. This is a 100-watt equivalent LED light bulb over there. So this is what the room looks like with the Osmo Action recording. And I've recorded about 2 minutes now. Let's go into the kitchen. The kitchen is powered by 2 100-watt equivalent light bulbs. So it's fairly bright. This is what the kitchen looks like. And I'm just moving around to show you guys all the stuff in the kitchen. I'm still doing a lot of renovations in the house that we bought. But otherwise, I think I'm gonna use this a lot more than my cell phone because this is so much more smooth and so much more easier to hold. I really need to find a holder to put it on a tripod, or at least some sort of stand. So I have a stand over here that I use for the cell phone, but otherwise I think this is gonna be a very handy tool. Okay, so very informal quick review of the DJI Osmo Pocket. There really isn't much to it. It's super intuitive, super easy to use. 1080p 30 frames per second recording. So fantastic value.